So welcome. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to add a search bar to Shopify. So the first step, go to Shopify and let's click add apps. And after that, just scroll down and we will see find more apps in the Shopify. And all we need to do is just click Shopify App Store. And let's search here, Smart Search. Scroll down until we find Smart Search, and here it is, Smart Search. So all we need to do is click that and click Add Up and wait for a while. Scroll down and click Install App. Wait for a while. So once the Smart Search added on our Shopify, so we have some features here. So here we can see the total of visitors and searchers for items that we want to sell. So we have here manage filters, theme integration, analytics. So let's go to our online store. And here we can see the search bar already located in Shopify. So we can search here for the product. So we can search here for the product we want to buy in a store. So this is our tutorial in this video. I hope it helped you guys. Thank you and goodbye.